Yeah, day 14 February, Valentine's Day, here at the house. Finally got my anniversary edition Dyna Lowrider back. They did a lot of work to it. Rebuilt the front fork tubes, got rid of the lower tubes that were painted that rattle cam black. It was just butt ugly, and put on just polished aluminum. That's how it came from the factory when it was new. New front tire and tube, new brakes on the front, new brake lines on the front. They did a lot of work. Took them a long time, but it's still dealing with the pandemic type economy. They were nice enough to bring it over here today. It just stopped raining a couple hours ago. The sun finally come back out, and it is what it is. Yeah. So my stable is full, and the Dyna is actually one of my favorite of the three. Ultra long trip bike, soft tail. It's just a show bike. Fairly comfortable ride, believe it or not. And a little low rider for a man of my size is fairly lightweight and sporty-ish. Easy to take hard turns with, lay it over, all that good stuff. And she's 100% now, mechanically sound and safe. So I think, okay, this is going to be a good day. And then I got my refund check where I prepaid for that damn meal that was never available for shipment. And like I said, I had a lengthy and rather intense conversation with one of the more senior managers yesterday, and explained to him, say, hey, I'm going to tell you straight up, I'm recovering from open heart surgery. You're stressing the hell out of me. I don't need this in my life. My next step's just turned over to my lawyer. I'm tired of you. Mr. Snow, we apologize. You'll have the check in the morning. And it got here about 11 o'clock today. So that's taken care of. I'm thinking, well, it's going to be a good day. Then I got a call from my old factory. One of my long-term, very, very good employees, who's just an outstanding person to boot, had a bad injury on something I had pointed out to him 3 months ago. I told him it was a hazard. It needed to be modified or gotten rid of. It's something they had built after I sold the company. I said, this ain't going to work. I said, somebody's going to get hurt. And they ignored me. And the person that got hurt, she's just nice as she can be. So that kind of took the wind out of my sails today. I don't own the company. I got no dog in the hunt. But under my ownership, no one got any kind of ocean reportable accident. Nobody lost any pieces and parts. No crush injuries, nothing. Just your little minor nicks and cuts from building coils. And it's most disheartening that the new ownership group lacks the competency to foresee these type of issues. And I don't know. I don't know what to tell them. I'll point stuff out to them. Tell them that's a bad idea. Somebody's going to get hurt. And they ignore me. So anyway, we're checking on her, make sure she's going to be okay, the extent of her injuries. She's at the hospital right now. And hopefully she recovers quickly. And it's no long-lasting effect. But that's just how life goes, I guess. So anyway, I got my Dyna back. I got my money from the other company. So it's not a terrible day. I just have a lot of concern for the employee. Really sweet person. Can't ask for anything better than that. She's just wonderful. But that's about all for this one. Any further maintenance on the Harleys, I'm either going to source a different shop. There's one out by a local lake here. It's supposed to be one of the best. He used to work for Harley. He started his own shop. And it doesn't take 3 to 4 months to get something done. or I'll do it myself. I got the tools, and as long as it's nothing ungodly major, it's something I can do, and I'll just start doing it. That's all for this one. Thank you.